My name is Ritesh Andley. I am the owner of PupSlurp in Calgary, Alberta. PupSlurp is a business that makes ice creams for dogs from all natural and clean ingredients. We use only dog-friendly ingredients for our ice creams. We do not use any sugar, we don't use any preservatives, and we make them in small batches here in Calgary. PupSlurp came about last summer. I and my family, with my dog, we were out for a walk and we stopped for an ice cream. We all were enjoying the treat, but my dog couldn't have it. I started making them for him. I thought that every dog should have that chance. Eventually, I started thinking of why not make it a company. All our ice creams have natural ingredients. I do not come from this industry. I'm from a completely different industry. I started to look at resources that I can leverage. And that's where I came to know about Business Link Alberta. I have leveraged Business Link Alberta for so many different problems and challenges that I've had. Market research, pricing strategy. It's the digital marketing team of Business Link Alberta that has made me understand how things work on the social media. And that is actually what is helping me create an awareness about all of these products and where they are available. Business Link Alberta people are a fantastic set of people. They're very methodical. Each one of them is a master of his or her own subject, and they will go back, they'll find the right resources, and they'll bring about exactly what you're looking for. PupSlurp ice creams are available at 6 different stores in Calgary, and we're growing. The next step for me is to see if I can get my products out of Calgary and other parts of Canada. If you're starting a business, there are a lot of reasons for you not to start it. Look for the one that you think is the one that is going to push you into it.